Alright, so here's the situation. Aaron thinks that he can crack a master lock, a combo master lock, in under a half an hour. And Brady doesn't think that he can. So, they've made a bet. If Aaron cracks the master lock in under a half an hour, Brady has to drink Ipecac solution, which makes you throw up. It induces vomiting. But if Aaron doesn't crack it, then Aaron has to drink. So, here's Aaron, our master cracker, and here is Brady. So, Zach, will you please present the whole declaration of manhood?
This is the declaration of manhood, lock number 911957, and it reads, by signing this document of manhood proportions, I adhere to my side of the bet. Brady's side reads, if lock is cracked within 30 minutes, then he shall drink 1/2 bottle of Ipecac. Aaron's side reads, you are given 30 minutes to crack the lock with 3 5-minute breaks in which he is separated from the lock. If he can't break the lock, he will drink 1/2 bottle of Ipecac. Additional rules state Ipecac cannot be mixed with another solution while it is drinked, but it may be chased. All personnel but Aaron, Brady, myself, and the cameraman must leave at the time of locking. Yeah. And whoever loses the bet may be called Captain Ipecac for 1 week. First, we are going to have Aaron sign under his name. Would you please, sir? I will hold.
Let me review this.
10, 30 minutes. Taking 5 minutes this way.
Just slap on the old J on the Hancock right now.
If you're gonna take forever, we can make Brady sign first.
Okay, my notes. I get to have my notes with me.
You.
Yes. Yes.
He may have his notes with him.
I may have my notes.
You may have your notes.
Amendment number 1.
But not the lock.
Oh.
Amendment 1.
Brian's hurting.
Please sign. Please sign. Please sign.
Don't have all day.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. That's not his real signature.
Are you serious?
I don't know, but it doesn't matter. It's in pen.
And it's recorded.
And
like
we have
official?
witnesses Brady's signature.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, just a heads up, I ate more food than I ever had in my entire life today.
So did Brady.
So if I drink it, I will most likely explode.
I wonder what tacos look like
Oh,
coming from the.
yeah.
Brady right here.
That's what I had tonight. Boys.
All right, now everyone else in the room, I would like you to please step up and sign under the witnesses wherever there is space.
We thought this one out.
No breaking out of this thing.
Sign it there?
Yes, I signed it.
We have a signature from James Masiki.
I do.
We have a signature from Zach Ekdahl and now Joe Bottensek. We have a signature coming in from Dustin Heeg.
This is gonna be terrible.
Now we have Andrew Meshke coming in.
Andy Meshke?
This might be. Oh yeah, we have to show the.
All right. Anybody else? Would anybody else like to sign?
Zach, would you present the lock, the Ipecac? No, we're not.
Yes.
Might as well. I don't know.
Why don't we do that right now? Right here, we have James is going to present you with the key stuff.
We have our lock, which has been tested. It works, and it is secure.
100% master.
Would you like to read the serial number off the back and make sure that it matches the
911957?
Does that match the Constitution?
Confirm that with the Constitution right there. If you can see right there.
Time's being controlled on the internet, correct?
Time is being controlled by the internet, which everyone knows is 100% trustworthy. The internet does not lie.
Here's the bottle of the
And
Ipecac.
either do I.
It is a small bottle, and we'll be pouring half of it
If I could,
into the Epic Lugger here.
Yes.
It's on the sheet.
This is manufactured and purchased in Germany. This is a quality Epic Lugger.
Yes.
Are you feeling nervous at all?
Computer screen, that is the official timer.
I am very. But my stomach hurts so bad.
I don't know if I'm able to.
Are they just both doing it?
Alright, now we will ask everyone at this time to please leave
Wait,
the
we
room.
have to shake. We have to shake.
Except current individuals. Yes, handshake.
This is a handshake.
We're not signing.
All right.
There it is.
There it is. Good luck.
It's on!
There we go.
One additional signature, ladies and gentlemen.
Within an hour, one of us is just going to be puking. I have so much food in my stomach. I can't even move.
I had tacos and nachos today.
I had...
That's not gonna look good.
Dude, I have to, like, diarrhea right now, so... I have ridiculous, insane... And I have an exam at 8 a.m. that I haven't studied for yet. Oh, yes.
Here. 3, 2, 1, go.
The last digit is 24.
Get nervous?
4, 6,
Brady, do you really want to hear those? That's your mistake.
12, 16.
We're 2 minutes in.
2, 6, 3.
I'd like to take a break right now.
Start the other one.
Clock.
I remember that. You were like, I'm gonna die. What did you end up taking?
What?
What did you end up taking?
The full bottle after that?
Of what?
I'd probably rather take Ipecac.
What was that stuff?
This would destroy me.
Well, we'll see how much you want to get for getting after this. That is. Oh shit!
Wow.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Awesome.
Yeah!
All right,
Yeah!
dude. All right, dude. Hold on. No. What is it? What did you end
What
up
was the time?
Did you get it?
You broke it, guys! You broke it!
1745. 1745.
We have an open lock!
The code is